guys, welcome to the next episode, and today we are using some of the best eyeshadow pigments and playing around with colors to make brown eyes pop. So let's get started. So first I'm going to use the Contour Me Now palette, which has beautiful shades of nudes and browns to create that beautiful crease using these shades. First we're going to use a little bit of a warm peachy tone on the crease since she has beautiful white set of eyes. So we're just going to work around the crease to make it look more prominent, eyes look bigger and more beautiful. So after filling in the crease, we're going to go towards the outer corner of the eye, fill it in with a slightly darker brown shade and then bring it all the way in to create that perfect transition of light and dark brown, like that. So we're using warmer tones for her because she has brown eyes, and the whole idea is to make them pop using the shades that we are using right now and blending them all the way. Slightly darker brown going in on the crease again, and sometimes you have to make an imaginary crease to make the eyes look bigger, and that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. Create a crease for her so that they look bigger and there's more depth to her eyes. Open. Repeat the same thing on the other eye. Keep a very light hand and start blending from the outer corner of the eye towards the inner. And I call this crease my imaginary friend because I imagine the crease and then I make a friend out of it. So this crease is my imaginary friend, and look how this makes her eye look bigger. So we're going to take a little bit of a pigment and apply it on the center of the eye to make the eyes pop. I'm using the shade Copper mixed with a bit of a gold to complement her eye color and the shape of her eyes. And this is the perfect look that you can do post-eat dinners, going out. I think this will just look flawless on any skin tone, on any kind of eye.
I'm using a Sparkles shadow on the eyes.
And the shimmery eyes are perfect for summer. It's a wide range of colors that you can choose from, and it is crease free. It's a very beautiful smooth texture, और आप इसको किसी भी तरह लगा सकते हैं without any setting spray on the brush, or just apply directly to the eyes. It will stay and it's meant to stay. So let's get started. So I do have a little bit of a makeup fixing spray on my brush just to make the pigment stay. And then, oh, how beautiful is the texture and the shimmer itself. Stunning. Like I live for these kind of shimmers, and I think they look so beautiful. Close your eye. And when there's so much drama in our lives anyway, why not add some drama to your eyes and make them pop like never before? So after we're done with the pigment, we are going to tight line her eyes. Open, look down, relax. The other one, look down, relax. Tight lining is so important if you want a finished look on your eyes. And now close your eye. We're going to do a sleek liner just to enhance her eyes. And to finish the look, I'm using a black liner which will complement the shimmer that I've used. So guys, next is 3D multi-layer effect eyelashes, which are waterproof, and they will go with any look that you're willing to do at any day, and they will complete the look, making your eyes and face look even more flawless. So the trick to applying lashes is to first press it in the center of the eye, then the front, and then the outer corner. So the center, the inner corner, and then the outer corner, and then you hold the lashes and you try and stick them to the lash line very gently. बहुत आराम से इसको stick करेंगे, making sure कि ये दोनों sides corner से sticky है और center पे भी sticky है. And the major tool is your applicator or a plucker. I like to use a plucker because इससे grip अच्छी आती है. Applicators are usually bigger, तो वो थोड़ा सा problem करता है अगर आप अपनी lashes खुद लगा रहे हो. You're comfortable? Okay, perfect. Look up. So to finish the eyes, I'm now gonna go look up, and underneath the eyes, I'm going to add a little bit of a brown shadow just to enhance those beautiful brown eyes a little more. Starting from the outer corner, bringing my brush all the way to the center and then the inner corner. This is a little trick if you want to make your eyes look bigger. So this is what you do, and they will look much bigger and prominent. So the trick is to really blend that brown eyeshadow, which is a very light in color, very well. You do not want any prominent lines, but this is gonna make the eyes pop and look so pretty. So next we're going to use the Diva Matte Lipstick. This is creamy, non-shiny, waterproof, long-lasting, it's super hydrating, guys. So I'm going to go in with the shade number 4, which is called Elite. And if you want to look like a diva, use this lip color. So I'm going to take some on my brush because that way you are being safe and you're not using anything that, you know, any of your friends or cousins have used. You're just going to apply it with a brush. It's a beautiful pink coral shade. It is a perfect color for you to go out, wear this, and look like a beautiful diva that you already are. The texture is so creamy, it's beautiful. It just sits so well on the lips, and it's very hydrating, it's long lasting, and it's definitely smudge proof. I also feel like it's plumping, so it's just making the lips a little more plump. And the great thing is it's not dry and it's not flaky. Perfect. So next we're using the Divine Mascara, and you have to be fabulous because you have to use this. So this is again waterproof, very voluminous, and makes your lashes longer and look thicker. So let's go in, look down, yes, and just touch lashes with the wand. And that's all you need to do. The texture of the mascara is also amazing, and we're gonna do a little bit on the lower lashes. Look up, don't freak out. Yes, look up. Perfect. So guys, this is the finished look. आपको सारे products दिखाए हैं. अगर आप ये लेना चाहते हैं और look achieve करना चाहते हैं, shop that at amrij.pk.